Presented for your consideration, Mr. Sean Scott, database reliability engineer, author, and award-winning Bruce Willis impersonator. On what seems to be an ordinary Wednesday morning in the beautiful seaside city of Malaga, Spain, he will step on stage and lead a workshop called Everything You Don't Know About Containers, which are most definitely not at all like virtual machines. But what the audience doesn't know, besides some things about containers, is that the title of this workshop is deceptive. There is, in fact, no way Mr. Scott could possibly know what his audience doesn't, nor communicate the entirety of that knowledge within a single presentation. Or can he? There is, of course, but one way to find out: by journeying deep into the Jay on the Beach Zone.